Hello, Khasi people. Kumno Pilong Paralog. Welcome back, everyone. This is your African boy, Gabs Gabi, back again. And today we have one suggested music by the title Myrsiang, guys. Myrsiang by LAPONGNAI. LAPONGNAI. I think this is maybe the singer or maybe the song composer, guys. So you can tell me also what does it mean by Myrsiang. Myrsiang. So don't forget, guys, to put on the bell because people are subscribing but they are not turning on the notification bell. And as I told you guys, soon I'm going to come to Meghalaya, and yeah, I will be doing vlogs. Like I will make nice video, and I will be posting it only in this reaction channel. So make sure you stay tuned so that you don't miss the beautiful upcoming vlog, guys, which will be only next month, only a few weeks left, guys. So thank you for the support so far, and let's keep supporting. Love you all. God bless you, born, and let's go. LAPONGNAI music. Okay. This is the owner of the channel, Kiki Garud. I think today we are going to witness the local life of the Shillong or Meghalaya people. Okay. Who is this, guys? Is this LAPONGNAI? Sleep, my child. There is a jackal. There is a jackal. What is jackal? Hiding at the backyard waiting for prey. Okay. Sleep, calm, my child. Tiang no. Okay, it's like sleep today. Tiang no. Tiang no means sleep. The child asleep in peace. Forgot everything and lost in the dreams. Unaware of what the jackal looks. Disease. So beautiful. Keep warm by the fireside. It sounds so good, man. And find the jackal's hide. The child Shang.
Up
on her lap. Don't fight. Don't fight. You have to fight with the jackal only. You have to be like a warrior. You have to be a stronger to fight the jackal. You strong like a brave. Where is a jackal? Please start. Hoi, 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 hoi. You have to be a brave man, okay? You have to be a strong man. You have to face the jackal. How do you call jackal, guys? In your local language, like in the beginning, I was a little complicated. Like for us, I don't know. Jackal is that animal is looking like a fox? Do you call it fox or that? Anyways, it also look like a dog, but this is mostly you find in the forest, guys. In the forest, like it's also that animal can attack people, guys. I don't know much about that animal, but for me, I don't think it's eatable also, but it's dangerous also. It's dangerous. It's a dangerous animal like a fox, guys. How do you call it in your own local language, guys? Jackal. So that is it, guys. Thank you for the amazing suggestion. And this music basically explain about the tradition, the culture, and how to encourage people, how to be brave. And you know, nowadays kids are the most happiest people, especially not yeah, when they're still on their mother's hands, guys. They won't know, they won't suffer like what people are going through nowadays. You hear people complaining about the stress, depression. It's only kids, they don't know that until when they wake up or when they will grow, right? Then they will face that. So thank you so much, guys. Subtitle was provided and it was so easy for me to read and understand the music. The tradition, which dress is that, guys? For which culture is this? Because you know, in Shillong, in Meghalaya, guys, there is a lot of tribe like Pnar, like Boy, Khasi. Yeah, I just want to know specifically which tribe were like this. Because for men, I used to see for the Khasi men, they used to wear white, guys, and they also hold the sword. And for ladies, their dress, jankirsha, is always clear, that yellow one, sometimes mixed with red. So you can let me know. Thank you so much. All the best for the team, guys. Don't forget support their channel. Also, they are so proud to present Meghalaya worldwide, guys. Kindly support them. And in case if you didn't subscribe my channel, stay tuned now. Join the African family and see you next time. Good play.